Welcome to the second lesson in Session 7 on tangents, angles, and arcs. In this lesson, we're going to apply some of the rules that we learned last session in the properties of circles. In our first example, given that segment RS is tangent to circle C, and that segment RS is equal to 21 centimeters, and given that segment QS is equal to 29 centimeters, we need to find the distance of segment QR. So we start by labeling what we're given. So we're given the distance of RS is 21, and we're given the distance of QS is equal to 29. Now, by definition of a tangent line, we would know that angle QRS has to equal 90 degrees. We use Pythagorean theorem then to solve this problem. So we have segment QR to the second power plus 21 to the second power is equal to 29 to the second power. Solving for segment QR, we get QR is equal to 400, which would mean segment QR would have to equal 20 centimeters. In the second example, we're given a figure that looks like the shape of a donut, and we're asked to find the area of the shaded region. So we're going to apply the area formula of a circle, which is pi r to the second. So what we're given is the radius of two different circles. The small circle, radius given as CB is 10 inches, and the radius of the large circle, CA, is equal to 18 inches. In order to find the area of the shaded region, we're going to subtract the area of the smaller circle, the white circle, from the area of the larger circle outlined in blue. So to do that, we take pi r squared, so the larger circle is 18 squared pi, and we're going to subtract 10 squared pi. Doing so gives me about 224 pi, which calculates to about 703.72 square inches. In our next example, we're going to use the figure below. We're given that line AB is tangent to circle O at point A. Secant BD intersects O at points C and D. And the measures of arc AC is 70 degrees, and the measure of arc CD is 110 degrees. What we need to do is find out what the measure of angle ABD is. So, using the angle AC, or arc AC, plus arc CD, 70 and 110 adds to 180. Therefore, we know the measure of arc ACD, all halfway around, is 180 degrees. What that does is allows us to conclude that segment AD represents a diameter. By definition of a tangent line, we know that angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees. So now we have a right triangle. And triangle ABD represents a right triangle. Inscribed angle ADC has an arc that measures 70 degrees. Therefore, we know the angle of ADC is 35 degrees. And knowing that the interior angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees, we can conclude that angle ABD is equal to 55 degrees. Well, that wraps up this lesson. Good luck on the quiz, and email us if you have any questions.